The impact and future of Jamaica's new social housing program, Andrew Holness, is transforming lives. Hello, my Jamaican people. It's Skywalker. Today, I struck up a conversation about the impact of Andrew Holness' new social housing program. I took a look at what the opposition was saying, although, well, that is always taken with a grain of salt. The PNP is not really in the business of caring for country. You don't get the impression that whatever they do or say is for the good of the collective, not even when they will glamorize criminality and cut their eyes on everything that's decent. They become and they work with those that have no integrity at all, and then will try to pass off to the Jamaican people as having the monopoly on integrity, flaunting devilish characters like Seymour Panton in your face as an example. It is sickening, utterly sickening. The PNP is sitting in opposition and still managing to do as much damage to our country as they did when they were in government. Jamaica needs to be free from them. And because I am not on anyone's payroll, I can say whatever the truth is without having to work hard to lie, knowing it will sicken my stomach to imagine what I have become. I am me. I am free. And that is what so many in the media today cannot say and really mean. Just as Mark Golding cannot say he was born in Jamaica and sound convincing about it, especially if he is doing up his I-94 to go to Canada or to the US. The new social housing program, NSHP, is a remarkable initiative by the Andrew Holness led government to improve living conditions for its people. Established to provide quality, affordable housing, the NSHP is making a significant impact on communities across the island. The NSHP focuses on three main goals. One, ensuring that the poorest citizens have access to safe and dignified homes, my peeps. Two, relocating vulnerable communities while prioritizing those living in dangerous conditions, such as flood prone areas. And three, upgrading tenements, which includes improving densely populated areas by upgrading the living standards for multiple families. The program is managed by the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, MGJC, or MEGJC, right? With strong support and technical assistance from the Hope Unit. It operates under strict legislation frameworks to ensure accountability and effectiveness. Beneficiaries are chosen through a fair and transparent process. They must provide completed application forms, a letter of support from a recognized authority, and official identification. This ensures that the help goes to those who need it the most, right? So far, the NSHP has completed 165 housing solutions, positively affecting over 620 Jamaicans. Families who once lived in unsafe conditions now have a place to call home, right? Remember that, which has greatly improved their quality of life and community spirit. In the similar fashion, like they did with opposing free health and removing of tuition fees and education, if you can remember that. The opposition has already thrown its cold water on this mission, raising concerns about its efficiency and sustainability, like they did with Bruce Golding wanting to go free with healthcare. Thankfully, this time they did not come with a full broadside on it or threaten to roll it back when they get into power, as they did with the free healthcare. It is true that issues like land tenure and contract compliance need to be addressed to ensure the program's long term success. They are right about that. However, this was a challenge that was always a given and must never be the excuse for stopping the entire program. Come on, it's perfectly fine to begin as is. This program is too essential to compromise. It is not only helping the people in the immediate scope, it also helps Jamaica and Jamaicans on the whole. Those that understand how society works have no problem understanding the impact it has. Mark Golding understands very well the impact of promoting criminals or glamorizing them as examples to the youths. So he knows how the end justifies the means. I feel like repeating this. I really feel like repeating this. Mark Golding's deliberate actions as the opposition leader in Jamaica demonstrate that he doesn't mean this country well. It is not even debatable. It's clear as day, and it's not like how he makes up lies like propaganda against the Prime Minister. It is what he actually does, and it is recorded for everyone to see. It's even on camera. Rewind and watch. Mark Golding does not mean our country any good. All right, the government plans to increase the budget for the NSHP program, aiming to deliver at least 500 new housing units in the next financial year. By using advanced building methods and cost effective technologies, they hope to provide even more Jamaicans with safe and affordable housing. The new social housing program is transforming lives and building stronger communities by prioritizing debt repayment and investing in sustainable housing. Jamaica is laying the foundation for a brighter, more stable future. This program is a testament to the government's commitment to improving the lives of its citizens and creating lasting positive change. The Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation manages the NSHP, ensuring that housing solutions are delivered efficiently and effectively. They provide the administrative support and technical oversight needed to implement the program successfully. The NSHP operates under strict legislative frameworks, including the Financial Administration and Audit Act and the Natural Resources Conservation Authority Act. These policies ensure that the program adheres to high standards of accountability and environmental sustainability. Beneficiaries must submit a completed application form, a letter of support from a recognized authority, such as an MP, Justice of the Peace, or Minister of Religion, and official identification. This process ensures that those most in need receive housing assistance. The selection process is designed to be fair and transparent, ensuring that housing solutions are distributed equitably across all constituencies, right? Whether you're red or you're green, rigorous checks and balances are in place to maintain integrity. I am not talking about the Pantan, Seymour Pantan lack of integrity type of integrity. I am talking about real integrity. As of now, the NSHP has delivered 165 housing solutions, positively impacting over 620 Jamaicans. Beneficiaries have shared heartfelt testimonies about how having a safe and stable home has transformed their lives. The new homes have not only improved individual living conditions but also strengthened community bonds and fostered a sense of pride and belonging among residents. The PNP always seem opposed to any good benefit for the needy, yet they are the party that claims they love the poor. By now, we must realize what they mean by saying they love the poor. You will have to remain poor for them to love you. The PNP have raised concerns about the efficiency and sustainability of the program. They suggest focusing on building housing schemes rather than individual homes to maximize impact. However, the JLP keeps breaking its own records at building housing schemes, and there is no one person in Jamaica who can question the JLP's transformation of the National Housing Trust. No country can operate in a broad brush mentality. There has to be different programs for varying circumstances. Building more housing schemes generally is not going to solve the particular problem, but it will allow the squatter communities and informal settlements to continue to grow. Then the PNP will be able to get more poor and desperate comrades to manipulate. They don't want people to escape out of their reach. They love the poor, but only while they are poor. That's the only time they love the poor. Some challenges include addressing land tenure issues and ensuring beneficiaries comply with housing contracts. These are critical to the program's long term success and sustainability. The answer is not to abandon the program, but to find solutions. Why would anyone vote for this British man? Why? Meanwhile, Andrew Holness is not being discouraged by them. The Jamaican government is dedicated to expanding the NSHP, pledging to increase the budget and deliver at least 500 new housing units in the upcoming financial year. This commitment underscores the government's resolve to address housing challenges and uplift the most vulnerable citizens. To achieve these ambitious goals, the government's plan to employ advanced building methodologies and cost-effective technologies. These innovations will ensure that housing solutions are not only affordable but also durable and sustainable, meeting the highest standards of quality and efficiency. Since the inception, the NSHP has transformed the lives of hundreds of Jamaicans with 165 housing solutions completed and more than 620 individuals benefiting. The program has significantly improved living conditions and fostered community development. Continuous support and investment in housing are crucial for building a resilient and prosperous nation. By prioritizing housing, Jamaica can ensure that its citizens have a safe and stable environment, which is essential for personal and community growth. The NSHP is more than just a housing program. It is an investment in Jamaica's future. By providing secure and affordable homes, the government is laying the foundation for economic stability and social well being. This initiative not only addresses immediate housing needs, but also promotes long term growth and resilience, ensuring a brighter future for all Jamaicans. The new social housing program exemplifies the Jamaican spirit of resilience and determination. As the nation continues to strive for progress, The NSHP stands as a beacon of hope and a testament to what can be achieved through commitment, innovation, and collective effort. Think on these beautiful, inspiring things, my Jamaican people. Peace out.